The children of today are the world of tomorrow. To talk with a child is to open a window into tomorrow. Talking with kids is not about teaching, it's about discovering.
I can't wait for my birthday.
Let's fix that a little. Say, I can't wait for my birthday.
I can't wait for my birthday.
That's better. Are you planning a party?
Yes, with cake and balloons.
Sounds perfect. What kind of cake?
Chocolate, of course.
Don't say, I can't wait for my birthday. You should say, I can't wait for my birthday. Remember, can is a modal verb, so it's always followed by the base form. I can't wait is wrong, and I can't wait is correct. Now, say again.
I can't wait for my birthday.
Good. Say one more time.
I can't wait for my birthday. Why the sky is blue?
You should say, why is the sky blue?
Oh, okay. Why is the sky blue?
Good question. It's because the sunlight makes it look blue.
Really? I thought someone painted it.
That's a fun idea. But no, it's just how the light works.
That's cool.
Don't say, why the sky is blue. You should say, why is the sky blue? Remember, to ask a question, we put the verb before the subject. Repeat one time.
Why is the sky blue?
Well done. Say one more time.
Why is the sky blue? Dad, my foot are hurting.
It should be, my feet are hurting.
Oh, my feet are hurting.
Did you run a lot today?
I did. I ran so much today.
We say ran instead of run.
Yes, I ran so much today.
Feet is the past tense of foot. Don't say, my foots are hurting. You should say, my feet are hurting. Now, repeat one time.
My feet are hurting.
Good job. Say one more time.
My feet are hurting.
Remember, ran is the past tense of run. Don't say, I run so much today. You should say, I ran so much today. Say again.
I ran so much today.
Just one more time.
I ran so much today. I go to the park yesterday.
You mean, I went to the park yesterday, right?
Oh yes, I went to the park.
That sounds fun. Did you play on the swings?
Yes, I swing very high.
You swung very high. That's the correct word.
Got it. I swung really high.
Don't say, I go to the park yesterday. You should say, I went to the park yesterday. Remember, went is the past tense of go. Say again.
I went to the park yesterday.
One more time.
I went to the park yesterday.
Swung is the past tense of swing. Don't say, I swinged really high. Better to say, I swung really high. Repeat after me.
I swung really high.
Good job. Say again.
I swung really high. I have a new toy car.
Almost. Say I have a new toy car.
I have a new toy car.
That's great. What color is it?
It's red and super fast.
I bet you love playing with it.
Yeah, I drive it everywhere.
Don't say, I has a new toy car. You should say, I have a new toy car. Remember, I has is wrong. I have is correct. Now, say again.
I have a new toy car.
Well done. Just one more time.
I have a new toy car.